In this video, I'll show you how to download a document that's already in your system so that you can edit it and then replace that old document with the newly edited one. So the first thing we're going to do is we'll go to a website and then Documents, and here you'll see a list of all the documents that are in your system. I'm going to go ahead and choose the Wheel of Life. So to download that, I'm simply going to click on that orange title. It's going to ask me, do I want to open it in Word or do I want to save it? I'm going to save it. Now you want to put it somewhere you'll remember it, like maybe your desktop. So I'm going to put it there, save. And now you'll open that file up in whatever application it was created in. So in this case, Word. You would open it up in Word, make any changes that you want to make to it, and then save it on your computer. Now you're going to come back to Website and Documents, and we're going to go over here to the right. This is the one we're replacing, the Wheel of Life. We're going to go to the right, click on the down box, and edit. All right, now at the top, you see that we have this Replace File, and next to that, the Choose File button. So I'm going to click on that, and I am going to choose that document that I edited and open. It's going to upload into my system. Everything else is the same unless you want to change it. And then you'll just come back and click on Save. And now your system has that newly edited document. So you've overwritten the old one with the new one that you edited.